This is awesome. The Galaxy S26 Ultra just leaked, and it's bringing a feature that could kill the need for clunky screen protectors forever. We're talking about a built-in, customizable privacy display, and the leaked One UI 8.5 screenshots give us the full breakdown. If you use your phone on the bus, train, or even at a cafe, this is the one feature you need to know about. Let's first talk about the awesome privacy display, and later in the video, we'll also talk about its stunning display specs. First off, the biggest news here is that Samsung is building privacy into the S26 Ultra itself, moving past external add-ons. The feature is called Privacy Display, and it relies on new Flex Magic Pixel technology to tweak pixel behavior in real time. Now, thanks to leaked One UI 8.5 screenshots, we know the controls are surprisingly detailed. You'll be able to adjust the intensity of the privacy effect and set up automatic triggers. This means your phone could automatically dial down the screen's visibility from side angles when it detects you're in a crowded environment like a bus, train, or even at a cafe. But it gets even better with custom conditions. You can set your own rules, like having the privacy display activate automatically when you open sensitive banking apps, or even just when the lock screen PIN entry appears. The control isn't just a simple on-off switch either. It's granular. The leaks show you can select specific areas of the display to remain fully visible while the rest is blurred or dimmed. Think notifications, picture-in-picture windows, or private images. They can all be hidden when the privacy mode is running. For maximum security, there's even a maximum privacy mode for an even darker, less readable side-angle view. And speaking of the display, the S26 Ultra isn't just about privacy. It's getting a massive upgrade with the new Samsung Display M14 OLED panel. Key specs include up to 144 Hz QHD+ with a lightning-fast 3200 Hz touch sampling, support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, a phenomenal 2600 nits full panel brightness, jumping to an insane 6000 nits local peak brightness for HDR content, plus much better power efficiency and enhanced anti-reflective properties thanks to COE technology. It's clear the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a display powerhouse, with the built-in privacy filter as the final killer feature. So, the takeaway is simple. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to be the first mainstream phone with a fully customizable, intelligent privacy filter built right into the screen, all powered by that new Flex Magic Pixel tech. It's a huge win for anyone concerned about security in public. What do you think? Is this the future of phone privacy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech leaks and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.